F2 on my keyboard. So when I press that, you can see this kind of admin command prompt up top, and then when you type in set weather, there we go, and then click a spacebar, there's now a new weather that hasn't been mentioned ever before. So as you can see, we have rain, which we know, we have thunderstorm, which we know as well, we have frost, which is also known, but then we have Sheckle Rain as well. And now if I type in Sheckle Rain, there we go. This is now basically the new thing. Now, of course, I can't spawn it. I'm not an admin, but this has been added to the game. And what this means is that currently it should be spawning randomly. Now, I don't know. I haven't ever seen it. I don't think it's going to be very, very common. I think it's going to be a very rare spawn. So you're going to have to get a bit lucky to actually be on the server when this weather does happen. But of course, let us know in the comments down below what it does. Now, I think Sheckle Rain would just be raining shekels, so raining money. That's what it makes sense it would be, but of course it could be anything else. So let us know in the comments down below in case you've seen it, in case you have some information. We are all very curious to know how to get it, where to see it, and whether it happens already or it's just scheduled for a future update. So yeah, that's pretty much it. In case this video helped you out, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.